Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhuluma with Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda mihlali wakandamasa ngemva kokuthi Thobeka i-ex yakhe Spanyo West ayitolo kwibhede yakhe ahamba yoshera imessage lebuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga la bekatshela abantu khona about how horrible uCasper treated her while mntwanabo abekagula ane-cancer alaleti ibhedlela yena bekachitha wangaqini lapho-ke uCasper Nyovest waphinze wayoshada njena bekakhombisa abantu kokuthi uPulane umfati waCasper Nyovest and uCasper Nyovest bamenda kabuhlungu njani while she was at her lowest kesana, and people were like, hayibo, we cannot believe kokuthi Casper Nyovest did this to you, and we cannot believe ukuthi we thought ukuthi Pulane was a good person. We are so disappointed at Pulane for ukuthi ayende lokho kulomnye umfati while naye amfati, and people were saying ukuthi hayibo akubitwe nomihlala indama sabi yatomusha lo mshado because yazi ukuthi ugele ebathanza labashadile uyi-home wrecker njena ngokwakhe. So bathi njena kabitwe ugele atoxova lo yamshado waPulane na Casper Nyovest. And you know what umihlali ndamase said, uthi never say less kesana, wathi ngiwitini ngi-inside ningawari nine mina I'll do the job ntonentela nje emsebenzi ningawari. So guys, abantu abaningi they're so disappointed with Casper Nyovest. Some even unfollowed uCasper Nyovest, and uPulane, which is Casper Nyovest's wife, decided to deactivate her Insta account. Do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.